Let's talk about how to name a cycloalkane with just one substituent. So if you have one substituent on your cycloalkane, your polyhedron, you do not need to give it a number, right? It automatically gets number one. So what you do here is firstly, let us highlight the ring structure, right? Because that's where your parent name is going to come from. So let's highlight our ring. You should recognize already that this ring, this is your ring, right? Or your polyhedron. And it has 5 carbons, so that's the ring. And then this is the one substituent, right? You should recognize that your ring has 5 carbons. One, two, three, four, five, which means that it's pentane. So remember, it is a cycloalkane. So it's CYCLO pentane. That's your parent name. And then you name your one substituent. This substituent right here is isopropyl. If you have forgotten how I got isopropyl, go back and review common names. So the name of this structure would be isopropyl, one word, isopropyl cyclopentane, right? Let's look at the next example I have here. So again, find your ring, right? It's literally you only have 4 carbons here in the ring. It's a square. So this is going to be cyclobutane, right? And you only have the one substituent here, which is a methyl group. So it's going to be methyl cyclobutane. You can put the one if you want, but it's not necessary. If you put the one, it's not incorrect, right? So if you only have one substituent, no need to give it a number because it automatically gets number one. Find your ring structure. That gives you the parent name. And then you name your substituent. So why don't you do this for me? Why don't you try to name this structure in the comments using what I just taught you? Go ahead and name that structure. I will check and let you know if you're correct. So that would be good practice for you. Try to name that structure.